So we're gonna go ahead and cook these vegetables in the Nuwave. So she's putting it in. And then, yeah, it's good. And then she's gonna come over, she's gonna hit the on button, hit the menu button, hits it again, moves it to bake, and she's gonna put it to 425, I think. And then just for 30 minutes. Bam, done. And we can take a look at it. Look at that. All right, and we'll come back in a little while and check it out. I say it's smelling pretty darn good. About 9 minutes. It looks pretty good. It's starting to cook up good. Ooh. Let's look at it this way because my camera lens gets all fogged up. There we go. Now you can see it. Looking good. 9 more minutes. At 425. I guess I could put a fork in it and see if it's getting soft. Let's see. It's still pretty hard. It's got a ways to go. Let's see. Still hard. Got a little bit more. So we'll let it keep cooking. All right, I think we're good. I'm gonna go ahead and get her out of here, because I do believe that we've done our job. Looks pretty good, right? Looks pretty delicious. I'm gonna make sure I turn this off, so I hit that. When I do that, the light does go off. And that's our dinner right there. Now all we gotta do is eat it. So if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and buy one of these, because these things are awesome. I gotta say, man, this thing, we use this more than anything else. And we got a big stove, but we use this more. I mean, probably every day.